Hey, what's going on guys? My name's CJ, and in one video I made, I showed you how to install a Google Nest thermostat, but I didn't show you how to connect it to the Amazon Alexa app. So if you have an Amazon Alexa, I'll show you how to connect your Alexa compatible Wi-Fi thermostat to your Amazon Alexa device right now. Here we go. All right, so to connect this to Alexa, first and foremost, you need to have a Wi-Fi connected thermostat, and it needs to be Alexa compatible. So here's a list of thermostats that are compatible with Alexa Wi-Fi thermostats: ecobee, Honeywell, Emerson, Sensi, CJsINFO, and Google Nest. I have the Google Nest. Alright, so you're going to need to download the Amazon Alexa app, which you probably already have, but just click on your app store if you have a Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Type in Alexa app. The app looks like this, Amazon Alexa. I already have it. Click on open. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is at the very top it says home, then you see plus, a little bell. Click on the plus button. So now we're going to add a device, and the first one says device. The thermostat is a device. Click on device. Alright, from here you're going to scroll down and we're looking for thermostat. There it is. Click on thermostat. Now it's asking you what brand is your thermostat. I see Amazon, alarm.com. Okay, so we need to scroll down and look for the one that you have. In my case, I have the Google Nest. Setting up your Google Nest thermostat will guide you through the steps. Install your Google Nest thermostat, which we've already done. I've made a video on that. Add your thermostat in Google Nest app, and then connect thermostat to Alexa. I've also already added my Google Nest app. Now we're going to connect the thermostat to Alexa. Next, just real quick, just to show you, this is the Google Home app, and I have the thermostat in my Google Home. Alright, install Google Nest thermostat. Use the instructions provided Google Nest to install your thermostat. Okay, next, add thermostat in Google Nest app. Download Google Nest app, use the instructions, return to Alexa, press next. Okay, connect Google Nest thermostat to Alexa, press next. Okay, it says enable to use because technically it's considered a skill, so enable to use. And then it wants to log into my Google account. Alright, enter your password, next. Okay, Marine 1, that's the name of my Wi-Fi. Amazon access to your Google Nest device. You're going to have to swipe on allow Amazon to view information about your home. Allow Amazon access your thermostat. You can't have the home feature off. You have to turn the home on, and you're going to have to turn this on access and control. Click on living room. Thermostat should be there, which is named living room. Click next. Choose an account. It wants me to select my Google account again, because you're giving permission for your Amazon Alexa to basically have control of your thermostat through your Google account. Select all, press continue. Google Nest has been successfully linked. Click next to continue. Alexa is looking for devices. One Nest thermostat found and connected. Your thermostat has been added to your Alexa account. Next, we'll help you finish setting up the device. Where is your thermostat? It's in my living room. Add to group. Now you can refer to this device using room, name, and device instead of remembering the device name. Living room is set up, ready to use. Control it, say Alexa set living room to 72 degrees. And there it shows the living room is on here as well. And then you can click in the Alexa app, you can actually control it from here, or what I prefer in not having to actually use the app. If I'm home, I would just rather use my voice, right? For sake of the video, I just want to see if it actually works now that it's synced. Alexa, lower my thermostat to 70 degrees.
I've set the AC to 70 degrees.
Alexa, set my thermostat to 72 degrees.
I've set the AC to 72 degrees.
There you go. That's awesome. Pretty simple, right? Like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!